Revolutionary Indian cinema, a complete actor. These are words and phrases that I associate with only few people in Bollywood. And today I'm really proud that I'm sitting across one. I've said this before. In fact, I should say welcome back, right?
Yeah, thank you.
I heard you don't look into the mirror when you do makeup. Is that true?
Yes,
Why is that?
because few times I dared to look into the mirror and I found an ugly man there.
Oh my god. That's not true. I mean, you're
Yeah.
being really humble right now.
No, I'm not. I don't know. I feel very odd looking at myself. Everything that I have is not of making of an actor. So I don't know how I ended up being one. But yes, at the end of the day, I am an actor who is not known for the looks. I'm not known for a height or a voice. I'm known for the kind of films that I do, and those films are my strength, and they are my advantages.
That's something we're all proud of, but then I disagree with a lot of the points that you stated now.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm quite happy with the looks and the voice that you have.
Okay. Thank you very much. You are making me feel all right suddenly.
I do that to a lot of people. Now, today we're sitting at Mehboob. And
Right.
remember the last time we had a conversation, we were talking about how before you became an actor, you wanted to enter Mehboob and that didn't happen.
Right. I think the shooting was shooting of Bazigar or Chahat, one of these two. The film shooting was happening, and Shah Rukh is a friend of mine from my theatre days.
Yeah.
So I wanted to meet him and just say hi to him, and also meet the directors here and push my luck with them. And it really gotten difficult for me to pass through the Watchman here. So yeah, and those days it was quite a difficult task for any wannabe actor to get into any studio. Yeah, so it was quite a struggle, before I could say hi to Shah Rukh.
Now let's talk about the movie in picture. Like you said, you are known for the kind of films that you do. Now, Budhia Singh is one of those, right?
Right.
Extremely interesting plot. Now, you worked with a really small kid in the movie.
Right.
Now, obviously kids are sweet, it's fun to work with. But tell me the truth, does it get annoying once in a while?
I'm being very truthful here.
Yeah.
I worked with child actors. They are very annoying.
Thank you.
When they throw tantrum, the shooting comes to a standstill.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you can't move an inch. The shooting doesn't happen. All the cameras are shut off, switched off. And it has happened with me when I was shooting for Shul, and it has happened with me when I was shooting for Swami. These two films. And those two kids were from middle class. So they were completely spoiled, over pampered.
Right.
But here is the kid coming from slum in Pune, and the production made it sure that he's not over pampered, over spoiled. Okay, so everything this kid was, and this kid has gone through the workshops for 3 months. 3 months of complete, acting discipline. And when he came for the shoot, he was there as a co-actor of mine.
Wow.
Not as one child actor whose whims or fancies are going to be, fulfilled by each and every member of the production company. And this boy was from a very humble background, so every little thing that he was getting on the set
Was big.
was big.
Yeah.
And he was getting his time to play, and not even once he's thrown a tantrum. Only once he cried very mildly when in the scene I shout at him. He found the shouting so believable that he started crying.
That anybody will, huh? I'm sure there's a lot of stories the same way in a lot of these movies. Are there?
Not really.
Have you made people cry?
If I pretend to be angry, I can make many people cry.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you've done this.
Yeah.
Now this movie is releasing on the 5th of August, right?
Yeah.
Can't wait. Before we conclude, we always have a game on the show. This time we're going to play a quick round of rapid fire.
Your usual old self again.
Again. But then this is fun. Now we're starting, okay? Really quick. Who are the top 3 actors in Bollywood right now?
Top 3 actors?
Yeah.
Kangana Ranaut, Amir Khan, and Nawaz.
Perfect. Now, if you have to choose between Aligarh and Budhia Singh.
Aligarh and Budhia Singh? I would choose Budhia Singh.
See, this also means you can't be diplomatic.
No, I'm not being diplomatic.
Okay. That was not a plug-in for Budhia Singh, was it? No.
No.
Now, this one's difficult. Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan?
Shah Rukh because he's a friend of mine.
No. Sweet. Delhi or Bombay?
Delhi.
Radhika Apte or Richa Chadda?
Richa Chadda.
Now, the dialogue that Shah Rukh says, बड़े बड़े शहरों में ऐसे छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है. Can you say that in a gang style or Gangs of Wasseypur style?
बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं.
And then there can be a few words after that which can be beeped out. This will be beeped out, guys. you won't be able to hear it. Tell me, which was the most overrated movie this year?
यार जूता मत खिलवाओ.
Listen, you can't be diplomatic. Huh?
No, I'm not being diplomatic, but at the same time not answering this question.
Please, I know you're somebody who doesn't care about...
No, but still, I don't want to be... they know that I don't like too many movies. Let it rest at that.
Okay. Now, what's the most annoying song you've heard in the recent time? There's one song that you heard, you just don't like it.
There are too many songs. Just remind me one.
No, I can give you one. I
No, just-
really hated Gerua.
Hey? Gerua is a nice song.
Of course, Shah Rukh is your friend.
No, not because
I
of
think
that.
I'm going to cut this part out. But anyway, let's move. I love Gerua, guys. I love Gerua.
No, but Gerua is nice. See, for me, Sultan is a good film.
Yeah.
And it is doing so well.
Yeah.
But I wish there was, one song which could do wonders like, any other Salman Khan songs. That didn't happen.
Okay, I'm going to take that as a...
Complaint.
As an answer. Okay. Tandav or Kriti?
I would go for Tandav.
It's a fun movie, but I forgot to tell you about this. Kriti is a wonderful...
Yeah, it's a wonderful experience.
Absolutely.
Yeah, completely.
Absolutely interesting.
Yeah. Thank you.
Name in order of acting ability: Deepika, Priyanka, Kareena, Anushka, Sonam.
Deepika and Anushka.
Okay.
Yeah. Then Priyanka. Kareena, then Sonam.
Alright. Who is the president of Bollywood right now? Alia or Pariniti?
I think Alia.
Alia. The last one. 3 secrets that we don't know about you.
That I'm a fun-loving person.
I said three secrets we don't know about you. I know you're a fun-loving person.
Yeah. 3 secrets.
It's all right. You can take us to your...
That I'm lazy. Very lazy. That I abuse a lot whenever I'm with my friends.
All right. 2.
Yeah. And I hate to brush in the night.
That's quite a literally a dirty secret.
I hate.
But you do that in the morning. That's okay.
No, but mostly I have to do it. I'm a married man, so I have to do it. I have to follow a discipline of the house. If you're teaching your daughter to brush in the night, then you better do it.
Oh, you have to do it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I think these are 3 fun secrets that I had no idea about.
Yeah.
But then the Gali one, I think people had a notion about you anyway. But now, this is a really good rapid fire. Quite interesting, right?
Right.
Now, coming back to Budhia, I think you should tell them what they should be looking for in the movie.
What they should be looking for?
Yeah.
Guys, it's...
I mean, or what do you expect them to take away from the movie after they watch it?
passion for running, passion for the ability that God has gifted you for. So that is one thing. And secondly, it's a great film. You don't get to see, so many great films in 1 year. And this year I have been very, very lucky, to be part of Aligarh and Budhia Singh, in 1 year. This is quite a blessing for me. So just go ahead and use your money in the right film.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Before we conclude, we're gonna take a selfie, which is going to be our last moment of the show.
Right.
So the live smartphone has a feature where we smile and it takes a selfie. Okay. So we're gonna activate the smile feature, and we just smile. Perfect. Thank you so much, Manoj.
Thank you.
All the best for the movie.
Thank you.